Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the, I want to say that again, the Ghetographer, a.k.a. Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And today, guys, we're going to be unboxing this right here. This is the Y01 noise canceling wireless headphones with ANC as well. And you know what, guys? The reason why I got these right here, because my wife, now she has the Life Q30s, the sound cores, gave it to her. She loves it, but she said, hey, baby, I want another, headset. I said, why? So she said, because I want a different color so I could accessorize. Because, I like the pink, but I want to accessorize. So we went online on Amazon, and I asked her to pick out the one she liked. And I told her it has to have ANC, so at least, it can cut out some noise, and they're not going to be perfect. But it'll help you with that. So she picked out these right here, the Y01s. Now, I'm going to tell you something. I thought my wife was going to pick a different color. Now, these go for $37.99 on sale right now. Normally, they go for $59.99. They come in space gray starlight, and each one of the colors are a different price. So the starlight and all of them are $39.99 right now. They come with purple, pink, green, and they come with blue. So I thought my wife would do a purple or green. She said, no, I want silver. You know why she wants silver, guys? Because I got me a silver pair. And me and her are going to be going head on head. When mine come in and I do my unboxing, after you look at this unboxing, you'll see that unboxing maybe a couple of days when mine get in. And then what we're going to do, we'll have one of my daughters come down here and see which one sounds the best, which one fit the best. And we're going to put this guy. I told her mine was better. She said hers was better. I said, no, mine's better. My wife said, no, the ones I got is better. So we're going to put them to the test to see which one is better. Now, guys, before we get into the eagle eye view, let me go ahead and give you some of these details on these so you can see what they have. Like I said, these are the silver noise cancellation and high res sound equipped with a 40 millimeter powerful dynamic driver system. The headset uses advanced technology to reduce unwanted ambient sound, create a peaceful listening environment. It has designed for comfort and is foldable. Design Bluetooth wireless headset are made for a skin-friendly soft material. It says protein, ear cups with a highly elastic memory foam padding to protect your ears from long listening sessions without feeling discomfort. Also, you can adjust the headbands as well. It comes up to 48 hours of playtime, wireless and wired mode. The Y01 headphones offer impressive battery life, providing up to 48 hours of continuous playtime. Also, you got back on full charge, making them 48 playback on a full charge, making them perfect long journey. Okay, feature both wired and wireless modes. Okay, you have that. So it comes with a 33.5 millimeter audio cord head jack. Seamless wireless connection, crystal clear calls, hand-free calling. I do not use these to call. B2, they have Bluetooth 5.3. So that's pretty good. And that's about it, guys. That's all that we have to know about these. Hey, guys, before we get into the eagle eye view, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. So without further ado, let's get to the eagle eye view. Right, everybody, we're in the eagle eye view, and this is how the box looked. This is how it came. It came in another box, a bigger box, but this is how it came. So we'll this here, but this is how everything is. So you can read. There you go. So that's how it looks. So no tape on here. So let's go ahead. We need an unboxing knife today. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, as you can see. Oh, sorry for hitting the camera, guys. All right, here we go. We have this. Please don't throw this away. Never know, you might need it. All right, come in here. What else does it come with? Nothing else. Nothing in here. There. So we have this right here. Now, I know everybody gonna say these look like the Apple headphones, and they do. And the sad thing is, my wife don't know what Apple headphones look like, to be honest with you guys. So if somebody asked her, "Hey, you know those look like Apple," she'd be like, "Oh, my wife, not into technology." So you have USB-A to USB-C. That's the charger, and it did come with, and again, they don't do that no more. 35mm headphone jack. So there you go. So let's go ahead and now these do look like, now these are not as happy. Goodness gracious. These are not as heavy as the Apple ones. Well, you can see they do got some flex on them though. So as you can see, again, these are $37. So they're not going to be they're going to have a design. It's going to be made of plastic, and they're going to have the aluminum. So, okay. So let's get to it. You have your plus on and off, and you have your minus right here. All right, guys, underneath you have your microphone right here. So if you want to use it to talk, I would not. And you have the actual charging port there. On top, this button here is your noise cancellation on and off button, and it's your, if you want to call Siri or Google Assistant, that's it on there. And that's about it, guys. It has nothing else, and it folds as well, as you can see. So that's pretty good. And you have this as well. So that's about it, guys. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and give it a good old way. Charge it up. Then we're going to pair it up and go from there. All right. Okie dokie. Let's see how much they weigh. And I'm going to be weighing this against this. So we're going to look at these first. And as you can see, these are 234 grams. Okay. And these are 270 grams. So these are actually lighter. All right. Now I heard the Apple ones are even heavier than that. So that's how much they weigh, guys. All right, let's go ahead and get it charged up. All right. What we're going to do, we're going to charge it up. We're going to use the cable that came with it first. All right, there you go. It's working. See the red right there. So now what we're going to do, we're going to use this. This is fast charging. The one I normally try to use. It'd be this or the Samsung. I'm going to go ahead. All right, there we go. It's charging. Okay, so we know that works. Now what we're going to do, we're going to use this right here. Fast charging. As you can see, it's on blue. There you go, red. We're going to do one more. I'm going to let you go. We're going to try this right here. But you can see it comes on. It's at 100%. Put it in. You can see it is charging. And you can see it's about 2.2 watts. All right, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this hubby on. And now it does say power on. Okay, it's flashing. Let's see. I don't know why this is doing this. All right, we're going to hit pair a new device and see how long it takes to come up. There we go, right here. Pair. There you go. It's paired up. So it's that simple, guys. Guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to let it charge up a little bit more. Then be back. We're going to try it on, see how it fit. And then we're going to listen to some music. And then from there, I'll be able to give you my final thoughts and giving the Y01 wireless headset a grade. All right. All right, guys, we're back to listen to the Y01s. See how they sound. Okay, we're going to put them on first, see how like I said before, they're kind of, pretty, I wouldn't break them, but they're pretty decent. Okay, feels pretty good. Like I said, you can. Okay, so we shake them. They do move a little bit. Now you will literally have to be shaking yourself vigorously for them to fall off. So I think you could jog a little bit with these. Now, being that it's big, you're gonna get sweat around here if you're working out, or you're outside listening to them, so you will get the sweat because, of course, it's gonna sweat. It's hot. So pretty decent. Okay, they're not heavy. They're not too light. They're not uncomfortable. I think the fit is pretty decent. Let's get to listen to some music. Okay, let's see. No, listen to the first song. Sounds a little bit muffled. It sounds decent. It's not gonna wow you. It sounds decent. A little muffled. I don't want to go really high because some of the budget pair don't keep the sound in. They'll leak out. So I will, after this, listen to some music and see if my daughter can hear it. You know, how close she has to be standing to me to really hear the music. So right now they sound decent. Sound decent. Let's go to another song. All right. Okay. Kind of a high bass thing. And if it gets too high, kind of distorts a little bit. All right. Let's see. One more thing. All right, guys. They are decent. They're really decent. They're not bad. They're not going to wow you. They're fair to Midland on the sound. So what we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and get my thoughts together. And when I come back, I'll give you my final thoughts and giving this puppy a grade. All right, see you in a little bit. Yo, I'm back to give my final thoughts on the Y01. Almost forgot the name. Over the head headset with ANC. Guys, they're okay. They're not going to wow you. The sound is not going to wow you, but they're fair to Midland. They're okay. When I mean okay, they're okay. Design and finish. I don't really like this style, but to me, I don't like the style. To me, it's kind of boring. But I gave it design and finish just a 3. I mean, $37.99. You're not getting premium quality here as far as the materials. They're pretty decent. It was comfortable, but design and finish, I give 3. Fit, I give a 4. They fit pretty well. They fit pretty well. I mean, I didn't have no issues with them, so they fit pretty well. So I gave it a fit of 4. Music, now music. I let my daughter listen to it, and she said they sound good. She said, "Dad, they sound good." I gave the music a 2.75 because, again, it's fair to Midland. It was a little bit, I want to say, not really tingy, but it sound muffled a little bit. If you raise the volume too high, you would get a little distortion, and that happens on kind of cheaper products. You get that at times. So the music I gave a 2.75. The ANC I gave it a 2.75 as well. It was okay. It's not the best. It's not the worst. Again, it's fair to Midland. You can get by when it ain't gonna be You know, nothing like the Sony's or anything else. So you'll get by. And the price I gave a 5 because actually these are a good price at $37.90. They're still worth it. Do I think they're worth $59.99? That's debatable. I think it could be worth it. Depends on what you're looking for. Now, if you're used to listening to something like Apple Music, the Apple headphones or Beats or even Sennheiser or J Labs or anything of those nature that I would say pretty decent, you're going to notice the difference in the sound. But if you're just somebody who just listen to music, you grab the ones from 5 and below, or you got some ones, the cheapest thing on the market, they're going to sound better than those. So like I said, they're fair to Midland. So altogether, guys, I gave it a 3.5. That comes to a 3.5. If you want something that's going to be decent, it's going to be inexpensive. If you lose them or break them, they're easily to to buy again without bringing a bank. These are it. Again, they're not a superstar, but they're not the worst. So they're fair to Midland. So that's my thoughts on the Y01s. Yes, they will do. They're fair to Midland. And it's 3.5. Guys, before we go, do me a favor, please. Please like, share, and subscribe. I said it again, please like, share, and subscribe. And, if you give us a thumbs up and share it and get it deeper into the YouTube algorithm. I thank my current subscribers for rocking with the channel. What I'm going to do also, I'm going to let my wife take them to work and let her listen to them. I'm going to show her how to use it, and I'm going to see if she noticed if there's a difference in the sound or not. She might not. Don't get me wrong. The Soundcore Life Q30 sound better than these. So we'll see. I'll give it to her, and maybe I can get her voice on, have her all the way over there talking in the mic and let you know if she liked it or not. But guys, I would say, guys, that's it. Yo, what I might do, I am going to do, I'm going to let my wife take these are hers. I'm going to let her take these to work with her, and I'm going to tell her to listen to them, and then let me know. I asked her what she think. Maybe I can get her on get her voice on. She ain't gonna want to come on the video, but get her voice on it, and I can ask her some questions and see how she like them. And you can get from her point of view, because again, she picked these, not me. So maybe we can do that. I'll talk to her to get her to do that. Well, guys, yet again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, thanking you for riding with me on another unboxing journey, guys. We got more unboxings coming soon, so wherever that bell icon is, hit that bell icon so you can be notified anytime we drop a new video. You have a good day. Peace.